When you are creating your recurring work orders, there are different patterns you can select based on when you need the work orders to be generated again. In this video, we are going to look at the monthly recurring pattern. When you select monthly, you can set the monthly pattern you want your work orders to follow when they are being generated. Keep in mind that the dates you enter indicate which nights you want the system to generate your work orders. You can either select which date of every specified number of months or which specific day of every specified number of months you would like the work orders to be generated. If you choose the first option, the number you enter in the first box corresponds with the specific date on the calendar you want the work order to generate. The second box indicates what pattern of months you need the work order to be created. For example, by entering 24 in the first box and 2 in the second box, the system will generate the work orders with the nightly jobs that run the 24th of every other month. If you enter 3 in the second box, the system will generate the work orders with the nightly jobs that run on the 24th of every third month. They will then be in the work order queue on the morning of the 25th of those months. If you choose the second option, you can set the exact night of the month you want the work orders to generate and how often you need them on a monthly basis. For example, you can tell the system to generate a work order the first Sunday of every 4 months. This means that the work order will show up in the work order queue Monday morning. Here's something to keep in mind. If you need the work order to be in the queue on the first of every month, you will need to remember to set the day to the day before the first. Since the months end on different dates, you will have to put 28 in this box and realize that for all months except March on non-leap years, the work orders will appear in the queue days before you actually need them to be there. If you have any questions about reoccurring patterns, please contact the help desk at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.